Did you know that there is a little known story about Lord Shiva fighting against Lord Vishnu in his Narasimha avatar? Legend has it that after Lord Narasimha killed the demon Hiranyakashipu, he became extremely angry and his wrath was so fierce that it could destroy the entire universe. Even Lord Brahma and the other gods were worried and approached Lord Shiva for a solution. Lord Shiva then manifested himself as a powerful creature called Sharabha and engaged in a fierce battle with Lord Narasimha. Sharabha was a 1,000-armed lion-faced creature with matted hair, wings, and stood at 8 feet tall. In the battle, Sharabha managed to scratch Lord Narasimha with his sharp wings and carried him off into the distance at a ferocious speed. Lord Narasimha became unconscious, and when he regained consciousness, he returned to his original form and apologized for his uncontrollable rage. This fascinating story shows the power of Lord Shiva and how he was able to solve a problem that even the other gods were unable to handle. It also highlights the diversity and complexity of Hindu mythology shine through as even the deities engage in battles against each other, only to reconcile their differences in the end. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like it, do like, share and subscribe if you haven't already.